I'm just priming these toilet walls. Nothing sticks to dust, as you know, so we're priming everything. I'm going to be waterproofing up to, I don't know, I can come up to 1200 sort of thing. It never hurts, it doesn't hurt to go a bit higher. But I'm tiling up to the ceiling. Get that primer sealer on. You can never go wrong. If you have got a bit of dust there and you've missed, if you do wipe things down and you've missed it, well, this just glues it all together. It's cool. I don't wipe my walls down these days when I use this primer sealer. It just glues all the dust together. Because it doesn't matter how well you vacuum or wipe things down, you still get dust everywhere. This just bonds the whole lot together. Okay, we'll see you soon.